Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. As you can see with the last video, I already had 4. I'm going to add the 5th one here pretty soon. That's a 120 watt. I just wanted to show you real quick. I now have 2 batteries and a great big inverter. It's a 3,000 to 6,000 watt inverter. It wasn't 12.4. But I ran the fan down here for a little bit. So that's a great big Jupiter inverter right there. And in another video I'm going to have a 3rd battery. I'm very disappointed with the Jupiter inverter. It stops at 11.5, so you cannot drain your batteries. They can go down to 11 volts just fine. But so I'm going to add a 3rd battery and get that 5th solar panel hooked up real quick like. Alright, take care.